In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. Format Painter is one of the most useful time-saving tools in Word. It allows you to quickly copy formatting from one section of text and apply it to another, without having to manually adjust font style, size, color, spacing, or other formatting settings. If you regularly work with documents that require consistent styling, this tool will make your workflow much faster and more efficient. To get started, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one. Make sure you have some text that already contains the formatting you want to copy. For example, this could be a heading with a specific font style, bold formatting, color, or spacing that you'd like to apply elsewhere in the document. First, highlight the text that has the formatting you want to duplicate. Be sure to select all of it so Word captures every formatting detail. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Clipboard section, you'll see a small paintbrush icon labeled Format Painter. Click on that icon once. After clicking Format Painter, your cursor will change to a small paintbrush symbol. Now, click and drag over the text where you want the formatting to be applied. As soon as you release the mouse, the selected text will instantly take on the same formatting as the original. If you need to apply the same formatting to multiple sections of text, there's an even quicker method. Instead of clicking the Format Painter button once, double-click it. This keeps the tool active so you can click and apply the formatting to several different areas without having to return to the toolbar each time. When you're finished, press the Escape key on your keyboard to deactivate it. If the formatting doesn't appear exactly as expected, double-check that the text styles are compatible, especially when copying between different types of elements. And that's how you use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. It's a simple yet powerful feature that helps maintain consistency and saves valuable editing time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.